Hey guys, quick video how you're going to connect your Samsung monitor to your PC. So it's super simple. How we're going to do it is this. What you need to do is you need to have your HDMI cable prepared. You're going to insert it from the back of your monitor, the HDMI monitor, and then you're going to take the PC, and from the back you're going to locate the graphics card, and on the graphics card you're going to have this port there, and what you want to do, you just want to insert it there. That's it. Super simple. So, and then you're going to be fine. And I just want to make this quick video for you, how to do it. And how to connect it. So thank you very much and have a great day.